The moment people get, cause no, that's my favorite stretch of road right there by Super Fresh.
What? Yo, we had the Buffalo Wild Wings. This motherfucking crazy shit. Yeah, I saw that shit though. Just, ooh, hold up. Ooh, ooh.
Where's Cuz? That freaking Sentra sounds lovely now.
Ooh.
He's got a turbo back exhaust on that junk. That junk is lovely.
I'm probably gonna copyright my shit, but look at, we got Buffalo Wild Wings. What? Look at this. I'm vlogging. What the?
Like, oh yeah, I got copy and paste. But I got the first one, the carry on. Like, I walked into the LA from my house, and then,
Sorry if you can't see me, but see, we might be going to Mexico. So I'll see you in a second, maybe, I don't know.
This shit, don't ever get rid of this car. No, don't ever get rid of it. That shit is constant. Yeah, that sport mode is, that shit had me jerking going.
It's coming.
Hey, I'll clean up the race.
Yeah. Hey, I was about to say that shit too.
Wait. Hey, someone falling on the runway. Okay. Pick up truck, that's not good.
Damn, that shit loud as fuck. Yo, son, why are these motherfuckers on the road? And why is this nigga like riding on the side of me like that? Like, I hate when people do that shit. Like, get the fuck away from me, dude. Like, I'm zigging and shit, and he's still like riding on the side of me. But anyway, it's like fucking 1 o'clock in the fucking morning. Why the fuck are you motherfuckers still here? Alright, which one of you niggas was being ratchet? You hear that fucking exhaust? Hold on, I'm about to get a photo shoot in right quick. Look at that shit. Hold up. This shit's nice. Hold up. Niggas doing dumb shit, making shit hot, so I can't really do the photo shoot. Fucking crack baby. But cause I wanted the fuck cancer side. But fuck it, niggas want to be hot and shit. Stop fucking revving your engines. I could be doing the photo shoot. Look at this nosy nigga. Yo, why people, hold up. Why are people so fucking nosy? Like, when you see somebody lights or something, somebody just sitting, my bad. Like, y'all gotta be nosy. Like, just go down there and shit. Get your nosy ass. Yo, son, what the fuck you doing? Yo, why y'all doing like hot shit, man? I'm sitting there like on McCormick Drive and shit. Niggas at the McDonald's like down the street from me like doing hot shit. And like, I'm not really supposed to be on that. We're not really supposed to be on that property. I think it's government, if I'm not mistaken. But they doing like hot shit, like burnouts and shit at the light with the McDonald's and that gas station. Is McDonald's is a gas station and there's Advanced AutoZone. They doing like hot shit at the light, like burnouts and then like racing. Cut with the hot shit. Laker Nation.
He's light skinned.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made gave when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.